Hello and welcome to the Ironverse. Today I'll be showing you uh, what I wasn't able to show you yesterday. So the improvements that we've made to the biomes. I also did a few tweaks in the meantime. Um, I did have to increase the hill's height like way up for it to show up as decent height in game. Same with the plains. Mostly because the value is being scaled down twice because we have four textures. There's probably a better way to do it, but for now we'll just stick with this. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how this has evolved. So here we are, we have the, you can clearly see the pillar biome, the mountain biomes, or hills rather, and the plains, and of course the floating islands. And you can see how their sizes and shapes are pretty random. Um, yeah, this one, interestingly enough, has the pillar biome wrapping like almost halfway around this mountain. Pretty cool. So I did make the biome sizes quite a bit smaller than what I would normally like, which was on purpose so that we could be able to see all these without having to walk for a long time. But these sizes aren't too bad either. Um, I think normally I would probably just make them a little bit larger. But yeah, I think it's a nice layout for biomes, and they merge nicely together. If you look at the mountains, they don't have those steep cliffs anymore, or the plains, or any of the biomes. Um, yeah, and their their shapes are pretty random. They feel sort of natural, not so predictable like before. Um, yeah. Now, some improvement that we could do in the future, if we wanted to, we could have like like a slight, um, kind of like the hills algorithm, but like on a larger scale, so that the height at which they merge wouldn't be the same height everywhere. So it would probably make it feel a lot more natural. So over large distances, there would be slopes that go down or up. Um, kind of like the plains, really, but on a larger scale. Um, that would cover all like the base of all biomes. So that might be something to explore in the future. Maybe, maybe not. Um, the the size of the mountain biome would probably be better if it was bigger. As you can see, like most of them only have like one hill or some hole. Um, so that might be improved as well. I mean, overall, these are just test biomes anyway, so it just allows us to basically test the layout of these things. Um, once I get all the um, like a bunch of different kinds of tiles in here instead of just this one tile, it would be a lot more interesting to make like actual biomes with trees and dirt, grass, rock, like stone, all sorts of different stuff. But that'll come later once the tiles are in. But for the time being, it does help us see whether this is working correctly or not. And yeah, so this is how things are progressing. Um, bug fixes still on the way. Um, yeah, so those are the updates for today. Let me know in the comments or on Discord if there's anything you'd like to see. Otherwise, in the meantime, I wish you a good night. Of course, support me on Patreon if you're able to. If you want to see this grow and you really want to support the project, it really does help out. All the links are in the descriptions. Thanks. Bye.